Welcome back, everybody, to Pathfinder Wrath of the Righteous Part 38, where it looks like we're in the exact same place as last time, and that's because we are. Because we are going down here and we're fighting different enemies. Last time we fought the undead, right? We snooned the undead. The undead are gone. Got the wand. This time we're gonna deal with the Druskari, or whatever they call it. The Druskari. Yeah. Oh my god, did I cast Utrak on you, okay? That's not what I intended to do, but sure. Yes, always be ready and all that. So, jump up on your horses, my ladies. And pop your potions. We are gonna need to use this also, so, yeah. And this. And we probably need the invisibility also, to be perfectly fair. We need every freaking buff on these guys, but we're gonna put that invisibility on you right before we go in, I think. Versus these guys. Because these guys are kind of strong. Actually, amazingly strong. So, how do... Oh my freaking god, that's not good. Okay. We need to get into a position where I think we can see them. Like, they seem to walk around a little bit. Oh my god, do we fight this guy first, maybe? Oh, there's a swarm there, okay. So I don't want, like, everything. We can't fight the swarm and that thing, and we can't fight everything. That's gonna be impossible, I think. So we need to fight things that we can fight. Like, one of these guys at a time would be amazing. Not 5 of them at a time. Dirakni was their name. Okay, there's another dude. We seem to be able to stand here. So, can you... looks like everybody can charge her. I think we'll bless her. And hopefully this guy is not gonna find us out here. But I don't know. And then I guess we go into invincibility. I am very afraid he's gonna find us out there. Okay. And let's see, we have bless. I guess we'll share a teamwork feat also. And then we're gonna cast our buffs on everybody. Okay, now we are kind of buffed. You think we can take out... I think we can take out one Dirakni. We'll see what happens if we just charge in the first one. Or if we need to charge both at the same time. So I'm thinking if we could charge one, kill it, and then get out, that would be amazing. But I don't think so, because I think we're gonna start gibbering as soon as we hit this guy. So let's see how this works. Okay, so that guy is kind of down now. Can we just get out of here? No. No, that's not gonna work. I think we need to charge them at the same time, is what it seems like to me. Because if we start gibbering like this, that's not gonna work out great for us. Yeah, we can kill one kind of easily. Not a problemo. At all. Not a problemo at all. Killing 2 though. That's gonna be difficult. Doing this way. Let's see here. Can we clear that Veskavor swarm there, maybe? Maybe that's the first order of business, clearing that. Okay. Hopefully this is not gonna... okay.
Everything has a price.
Like, we charge in, kill that thing, and hope that there's not something behind it which kills us. Okay. Oh my god, there are things behind it. That's not good. Oh my god! This thing... gibbers? What? He attacked this? What? Okay, can we get out of here? Like, can we not do this? Oh my god, I was close actually. I was being able to go in and go out. But these guys are affected by gibber. What? Aren't they the same race? Or like, I don't know. Insects? Are they insects? I thought they were. Maybe I'm just wrong. They look like insects. They talk like insects. They walk like insects, but maybe they're not insects. Okay. The surprise. It's a big surprise, gotta say. Okay. Now we'll charge in on this thing. Try and take it out. If we can. That'll be nice. And this guy starts gibbering again. That's amazing. Okay, can we just everybody. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Everybody just starts gibbering. You're so done. Yeah, Gibber. Let's just see what Gibber's save is. Let's see here. Gibber DC 23. Wisdom, resistance, iron will, improved iron will. I mean, this guy's will save 19, so of course he's passing it. Wisdom of plus 10. Class bonus plus 10. Class are you? my dear insect, what class are you? The insect class? Maybe he is, you say. Maybe. Maybe. So maybe we shorted the first Drachne here because we have a kind of weird angle of charge. Like if we could see the other dude behind him, but then he needs to move away, I guess. Because then we could maybe charge both, is one thing. Okay, can we see it now? We can see it. Okay. How long will this buff? 1 second. That's not going to be enough. Okay. Save again, I guess. Because now we should be able to. Oh, we're gonna charge. Oh, okay. Charge there. Charge there. Charge there. Charge there. Charge there. Man, we don't have too much on this guy. We have 2 dudes charging in there. Maybe. Maybe we get a crit. Let's see how this works. Okay. Did not work too great. I think we missed a lot, didn't we? Felt like we missed a lot there. They're pretty strong. Not gonna go ahead and say that they're weak, these guys. They're not weaklings. I don't think we're meant to really fight them yet. But we can see that we don't have enough damage yet, actually. We have a lot of damage. A lot of damage on this guy, girls. But we need more damage still to be able to deal with these guys. So how do we get even more damage then, you ask? I don't even know, honestly. Now we have 3 and 3. This should be the ideal charge, right? Oh no, 2 and 3. Okay. Oh, there. Okay. Can we get this guy now? Can you like cast this? These girls are all gibbering, unfortunately. Now, can he hit? Can he hit? Can he hit? Can he hit? Okay, she's dead, but let's see if we can hit. Can I? That wasn't enough. Gibbering is so freaking good for them. It's interesting also that they give gibber, but they can also gibber themselves if someone else has gibber. Not only are they confusing you, they are confusing themselves also. I think we need to get a crit. Like 1 in 20, but we have 6 girls, so it's not super unlikely. Just me. Like it's a little bit unlikely we get a crit. Okay, but it's not out of the question that we get a crit. Just thinking out loud there. Shouldn't be out of the question. If we get a crit, 1 dies immediately. Then we continue on to the next one. I feel like we could take it, or if we, of course, if we get double crit. If we get double crit, we get him. But the odds of double critting are not the highest in the world. Not the highest, so. Oh my god, that was quick though. Can we just get this guy? Can we just get this guy? Oh my god, everybody's fighting. Okay, we got him. We got him. Now Delta split everybody. Delta freaking split everybody, I say. Okay, can you just walk away from each other? Don't stand next to each other. So you have a tendency to kill each other. What are we dying to? What are we receiving damage from? I don't even get it.
I will not
Doesn't even say what we're receiving damage from.
Hesitation is
Standing still? Is that what we're receiving damage from?
I do things my way.
Let's see
I
here.
always have the upper hand. Stay on your toes.
Maybe if you gibber and there's nobody next to you, you damage yourself. Maybe that's a part of the ability. I don't know. It's a possibility. Okay, so we took these guys out though. That was pretty good, I think. That was pretty good job, gotta say. Pretty good job, but still I think we're actually lacking in damage. How do we get more damage? Like we could definitely get more damage by the thing, like whenever we miss once per round, we deal 2d6 sonic damage. That's definitely gonna add to our damage actually. It seems like a weird thing because we're always hit with the initial hit, but for the next round, usually we don't have anything. Like our true strike is gone, then we at least deal some damage. Or we try to add more to the charge, but we can't add that much. Like I had no way I can think of at least where we get 2d6 extra damage to our charge. Like easily, I mean sure, we get 2 sneak attack die. But that's gonna take 2 levels. 2 levels. That's gonna be a forever. Oh, by the way, we didn't get attacked when we slapped there. That was amazing. Put on your drugs, everybody. Drugs, your drugs, your drugs. We need your drugs. Maybe just go hard on sneak attack. Like it's a possibility. Pick up yet another level of alchemist, maybe. But I don't really want to because then we don't level up our horses, and I also like them to be a little bit sturdier than they are right now. Hey, weren't there a Druskari here? Draknir or whatever? Guess maybe on this side? Maybe we need to go around here? Okay. Let's see. Okay, there he is. Okay. Can we charge him for him?
I do things my way.
Okay. Let's see, can we charge? Oh, we can charge there. So actually, if everybody moves a little bit, scoofs over a little bit up here, should be able to. Oh my god. No. There. Should be able to charge, right? Save. A little bit risky to save here because I think this thing is gonna find us any second. So we might just start in combat if we load this. Or we just, you know, stone this guy immediately and it's not a problem. Okay, charge, coming in. That guy is dead. Kill the bugs. Try to focus on the bugs now, everybody. Try to focus on the bugs. Don't focus on yourselves. Yes, okay, and delta split. Okay, 1 is easy, 2 is difficult. That's what we concluded from that. And the gibber dudes aren't... I mean, they're dangerous, but they die in like 2 hits or 1 hit or something. How much did we need to deal damage to that Vescovis one? 12. Oh my god, these guys hit them? Okay. I mean, I guess we charged, so we got the charge bonus there. Why didn't we get the flanking bonus? With our animal companions, they should definitely get a flanking bonus on. No, you can't. Yeah, you can't flank swarms, I think. How do you flank a swarm, you ask? I don't even know. Heavy mace, okay. First good item here. Or maybe good item, we'll see. Verminbane, Elven Curveblade, +2. What does it have? Verminbane. Info. Does this 2 extra disposable damage against such foes? So against vermin, it deals 2d6 extra damage. So we can't use it because it's a Elven Curved Blade. But if we're an elf, we could use it. If we're an elf, what is the critical thing there? 18, that's very likely the crit, but only a 2 times crit. Man, I would love it like 5 times crit, honestly. 5 times, 10 times crit. More times on the crits. It's just good. It's just good. Okay. I think the next... let's see here. dead dude. The next fight, I think, is gonna be against more Vescavors. I think it's gonna be a little bit difficult. If I remember correctly, there's like a guard and there's more Vescavor swarms or something. Let's see here. This is this exactly. We should be able to go in a different direction, should we? Vescavor Royal Guard. I guess we have to take that guy out.
And take from the poor.
The thing is, if we kill him, we can start gibbering, and there's more swarms in there, surely.
Stay on your toes.
I don't like this, but I guess this might be the best way to do things.
Of time.
Like, okay. True Strike. Are these girls fatigued still? No, they're not. Okay.
Hesitation.
Probably good to have a little extra damage on this guy. I think there's a lot of swarms here. I don't actually have a good plan for this room at all.
Have the upper hand.
Our time has come. All this waiting, we should move.
Okay. Charge in with most things here. Try to not get too gibber. What? Okay, he's dead. Yeah, I mean, walking with these two maybe. Try to charge this, and you can maybe charge that. Something. Just thinking. Could be a way of doing things. You girls should maybe separate here so that you're not really fighting. Okay, don't fight the swarms, don't fight yourselves, everybody. Should probably have buffed more for this than I did. So that we can actually hit these swarms reliably. Because now we're not doing that really. Okay. That wasn't good. That wasn't good. Yeah, but on everything. Outflank doesn't work against them, that's the problem though. Bless works against them. So I guess we should bless. Should maybe bless ourselves. Is there anything else we can put on ourselves? Like, it would be nice if we could add the
Everything has a price.
thing which gives a +2 morale bonus on our attacks and everything. That'd be nice. Maybe also for this, we actually go with a haste. Because that's actually good against the swarms. So we cast Bless on everybody. And we cast Haste on everybody. And then we're probably gonna sleep after this, we can cast this also. And then we're gonna save. Go a little bit closer, so get a good charge angle on that guy. It would be nice if we could charge him and the swarm, maybe. That would be super duper. Okay, and then we maybe just...
I always have the upper hand.
Let us not hesitate. No one stands
Oh, you
in
don't...
my way.
Someone's out of spell
I
slots?
will not falter. I'm losing my
No,
temper.
nobody's out of spell slots, okay.
Stay on your toes.
Okay, charge this guy.
Have the upper
I
hand.
will see this through. Let's move already. Road away.
Okay,
None shall escape.
there it is. Okay, they are dead. Can we now try to go for different things? So that would be nice. Now, let's see how this works. Oh my god, there's so many swarms. Thing is the gibber. This thing is we're so good at hitting ourselves also. The gibber is so good against us.
This is my chance to learn.
We could have gone with invisibility also, which I don't think we did, right? I'm thinking another thing we could do. We could separate the horses, like charge in with everyone versus the Vescavor thing. No, but that might not be good either. I don't know exactly. It would be nice if we could take out the swarms also. So if we go up here, there should be swarms here, right? Or there are just no swarms and just pass this athletics check. What happens if we just sneak past him? Can we?
Everything has a price.
Okay.
Next time. Damn this silly thing.
Who has athletics? Don't you, apparently. Okay, this go.
Damn this silly thing.
I think we sneak past him and try to pass that off. I don't know if this is a good idea. But it seems like the Vescavor swarms don't spawn if you don't attack this guy. Don't seem like it. We could also potentially try to take her out with only Octavia. Because Octavia has the thing where she can't get gibbered. Because she has the Bookworm's headband. Immunity to all compulsion effects. Because then everybody else could just stay back and we just run away. But then we would have to succeed with a crit, I think. Because I don't think Octavia can take out just herself without the crit. We'll try and just pass this first. See what happens. Can you... do you have to dismount? Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's where we ended up. Oh, that's not very good. Let's have a look at this guy's stats. I think they're very good. Yeah, I think this guy's gonna wreck us in 1 second as well, I think. That's what I think. I can do him right now. Okay. Now we know where that leads. That's not where we wanted to go. That's not what we want to do. Okay. Let's just try and see if Octavia can solo that guy. I don't think so. I don't think so at all, but maybe. It would be amazing. Crit, Octavia? Crit? Crit? No. Okay. Stay back. Everyone. Turn off the AI. Oh, she could. Okay. Now we just need to run away. Now we just need to run away, everybody. Gibber, 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 gibber. What if we give the headband to the horse instead? Maybe that's better. If she can solo it and we give the headband to the horse, then the horse should be able to charge it and run away. Because it seems like she can take it out by herself, which is amazing that she can actually do that. Absolutely insane that she can do that. Okay. Put away that headband. And what is your horse called? The horse is called Midnight. Okay, so Midnight. Midnight. You, my dear horse, you are going to be blessed with the Bookworm's headband. Okay. Actually, that's Intelligence 4 now. Not that charismatic of a horse. But no compulsion effects is exactly what we want. Turn on this. Save.
Always watch your back.
We don't have invisibility. Maybe we should have cast that also. We can cast True Strike. We can save. We can charge this fool. And crit. No, that would have been way too easy. Turn off the AI. Walk there. She was able to defeat him last time. She just needs a crit. So 1 in 20, we'll do it. Charge in, take him out. And that's gonna make the fight easier. Or is this just a stupid strategy? Maybe just sneak past him, you say? Because you don't need to fight him, I think.
Is a waste.
I will try one more. We'll try one more. Oh my god, what is this? Yeah, there's also the chance that he just kills us. Okay. Can we charge with only 2 guys or something? And then the other guys charge the swarms that spawn. That's probably how we should do it. That's probably how we should do it. Okay. Walking with everything. So. Or we just sneak past them. Thinking we'll sneak past them.
Watch your back.
Okay.
Stand ready.
Where's that lead? There's some loot. Okay. Can we do... Oh, it's inside there. We need to disarm this thing. Okay. No.
I always have the
You know what? We save. And you just check out what that is. It's just stone call?
I'm gone.
That's not a problem at all.
I do things
Who
my
cares about a
way.
stone call? Who cares about a freaking stone call? Doesn't do anything. Okay, save. And we'll continue our journey inside here. Probably more Vescover swarms would be my guess. What's in here? If I remember correctly. Okay. Yes, indeed, there were. Can we now charge this guy? And everybody else maybe charges. Oh my god, okay, they're from arrived from every angle known to mankind. Okay, okay, from behind. These guys are gibbering, so they can't do anything. And you, that's here. We on Ling, can you charge anything? No. Can you walk in and smack this guy maybe? That'd be great. Okay. I think this is the best way to fight, right? When we fight them separately like this. Might be. Maybe we should have someone on the heals though. Maybe we should have one girl healing while we do this. And we should probably have our buffs also so that we are guaranteed to hit them. Okay, so they spawn behind us and in front of us when we walk in there. That's good to know. It's gonna make it easier to take them out, I think. Easy. Okay. Okay, so we probably... It's probably when we walk past this little thing, right?
I do things my way.
So let's see. It seems like everybody's kind of slow. We don't have hold the line,
Always
though.
watch your back.
Why are we so slow? Because we got stone cold before? Is that why? But we don't have any debuffs.
I will not be trifled with.
Don't have any debuffs on us, but we are walking like, look at this speed. What is this? Maybe do hold the line and take away hold the line? Okay. Okay, that fixed it. Hold the line.
The upper hand.
Love isn't always on time.
We should move.
I do things.
We should move.
Okay. Let's turn on our anger.
I will see this through.
I always have the upper hand.
Take the anger pill, everybody. Save. Run in. Trigger the fight. Oh, okay, what's deeper in where it triggered? There's where it triggered, okay. Now then, charge there, you charge... we need someone on that thing, so charge there. You charge... Oh, you can't charge. You can smack there. Smack there. Smack there. Oh, you can charge there, that's amazing. And you cannot charge anywhere, so smack there. Okay, so split up as much as we can, at least. Okay. Doesn't seem like we're hitting them. What did we deal 112 damage to? Our own horse. That's not good. That's not good. Gibber, 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 gibber. We'll save gibber, 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 gibber.
A terrible mistake.
It's not working out great. Not working out great. It's very difficult to take out multiple swarms at the same time. I think if we do blunt damage, we'll deal more damage to them. So maybe we'll switch into our quarterstaffs that we brought with us.
I take from the rich and take from the poor.
I think that's the case. Let's see here.
Together we stand.
So switch to quarterstaffs.
No one stands in my way. Our duty
I think we deal more damage then. We'll have to check their stats, I guess.
I always have the upper hand.
I think that's the case. Okay. We can also... Man, we've wasted all our haste scrolls almost. Okay, well, one more.
Everything has a price.
One more. I wanted to save these for Bresson, but screw it.
Always watch your back.
Screw it, I say. Okay. So, here then. Charge there. Charge there. Charge there. Charge there. I don't know if this is a good idea, but maybe if we bring them down quickly, you know? Maybe that's good. Okay, so we like charge in and then we start doing nothing. Nothing is hitting. Okay. You know what I think? You know what I think we should do against these guys, which I don't know why I didn't think about until now. We just need someone to trigger the fight, right? So we can trigger it with a horse. I don't know why I didn't. I'm just a dingus because I didn't think about this. Because all we need to do is take Octavia's horse. We can't be gibbered. The best horse in the freaking universe for this thing. And we just walk back with it. All here, all the way here. Trigger the fight. Walk out and take off AI. And now we're gonna have to sneak past the other dude here though, unfortunately. But that's just how it is. Octavius is gonna have to wait until that horse catches up to us. Should probably have had haste on this horse. Very much should have had haste, because now okay. And now we just need to be fast out of this. And hope that we're not randomly walking into the Vescavor. Royal Guard, yeah. Okay. Okay. That worked out great, I think. Okay.
They'll never see me coming.
Combat is finished. Good. So that should have cleared them. Not cleared them. Oh my god, they're longsword +2. Just forgot that, okay? I was bad. I was bad. Not seeing that was bad. So we could do the same thing with this guy actually, where we attack him, falsely attack him, just to trigger the other dudes to come out. And then we charge the other dudes and this guy at the same time. I mean, there's a possibility that what we should do, but for the time being. Oh my god, this Vesco was good. Swarmed up. Can we? Fatigue, okay. Let's attack this guy? Can we take one swarm out? All our dudes? No. Answer is no. We also had fatigue there, so couldn't charge in. Couldn't charge in, couldn't charge in, couldn't charge in. Couldn't charge in, couldn't charge in, couldn't charge in. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until this fatigue is over, I guess. 38 seconds. Not too long. I thought we would clear this place there. I thought it would be easy. Whenever I think something's gonna be easy, never turns out to be easy. We almost make like a completionist playthrough on this game almost, so. By the way, because when you play on Unfair, you want every piece of equipment, every piece of experience, you want everything, essentially. So you end up doing everything, which is kind of nice. You end up doing freaking everything. Have we skipped anything so far? I mean, we skipped the succubus, which we could never kill. Is there anything else we've skipped? Yeah, we skipped in the beginning there. There were next to Hosilla, there were some dudes which we didn't want really to fight.
Stay on your toes.
So let's see. Can we short that thing? A good angle.
I will not be treading away. Stay on your toes.
Yeah. We charge this thing and not trigger combat with the Vescavor. That would be amazing if we could do that. Oh my god, by the way, I didn't have AI on. Okay, that's not gonna work out for us. Oh well. Oh my god, what happened there? Okay. I don't know why we are killing these things so easily. Okay. So we want to go back now and say, why did they die so easily? What was that? Combat is finished. Good. Save again.
Careful now.
Why did they die so easily there? Did we save on the gibbers or something? Did we save on the gibbers? Maybe we did. They give a lot of experience. 39 is kind of a lot, I feel like. Vescavor Royal Guard, can you move like here? That would be nice. Thank you very much.
That's easy.
That was very nice of you. I think we save there again. Let's see here. Okay, that's where it is. Okay. Not there, everybody. I think there, yeah, that's pretty good. Where we have the charge angle will be probably somewhere around there, right?
I will not be trifled
Let us
with.
not, as no one
Walk
stands
to this
in
position
my
right there. Badoosh, badoosh, badoosh. Okay.
I always have the upper hand. I take from the rich
time
and
has
take from
come.
the
Ah.
poor. It's my way of supporting equality.
Save.
I take from the rich and take from
We
the
should
poor.
prepare.
It's my way of supporting equality.
Together we stand. Observe the others. Be careful. Everyone.
Okay. What is going on there? Why are we so successful at this? And why didn't we gibber with anyone? This might be a bug, honestly, that we're not gibbering here. But I love this bug, because I hate gibber. Okay. I'm not gonna reload and like, oh, no, we need to do this unbugged version.
Precisely.
But we get gibbered and I cry. Or something. No. No. We're gonna take every gift that given to us. Something. Oh my god, is that a rock? Oh my freaking earns. Okay.
I shall not fail.
Probably should sleep for this fight. Or do we just take him out like a boss, you say? Stop fooling around there. Let's try. Let's see if we can just
Stay on your toes.
take it this fight the easy way. Oh my, okay, we don't give that true strike. Okay, we sleep. Okay, one true strike. I don't think, I mean, maybe, but probably not. Okay. Hopefully this didn't remove the gibber bug. The gibber bug, we don't get gibbered. If we don't get gibbered though, if that stays on, we can definitely take on the Vescavor guard there.
Trifled with.
I
Should
stand
definitely be
ready.
able to do that then.
I'm losing my temper. I shall
Uh-huh.
not fail.
Let's see here.
Waiting bulls.
I do things.
Main character, jump up on your horse.
Everything has a price.
Jump up on your horse, buff everybody up,
Waste of time.
Our time has
buff
come.
everybody up,
No one
buff
stands in my
everybody up,
ways.
buff everybody up.
Battles await.
Ja, Världnålen fnanisid. Nice.
Have the upper hand.
And yeah, bless everybody.
I shall
We have everything turned on. Maybe we do invisibility also, because that actually gives us +2 circumstance bonus. They're always flat-footed against us. Just big or nice things.
I do
And let's see, we have bless. I guess we'll do the teamwork feat also before we charge in this rock. Okay. Is that the only thing here? I mean, not just. It's not like it's easy to kill, but okay, level 9 only. How much constitution? 37.
Hesitation is a waste.
Kind of a lot. Let's see here. We'll do the teamwork feat. Share it with everybody. Now then.
let us complete our duty.
And we're gonna save.
I will not be
And we're gonna go into this mode. We're gonna save again.
I always have the upper hand.
And yeah, maybe charge.
I will not be trifled with.
Has come.
Hope that it's only one rock. That would be nice. Oh my god, it's 3 of them. One is kind of easy though. I don't think with this charge we're taking 3, right? That would be kind of amazing. No. No. We need a better angle of attack. Oh my god. We kind of need to kill one, go out, sleep, kill another, go out, sleep, kill another. Maybe. Or can we take out 2 at the same time? Can we take out 3, you ask? Can we take out 3? Okay, so they're standing here, I guess. Okay. Oh, well. How long on the buff? 3 seconds, and it cost again.
Hesitation is a waste of time.
In my way.
Now. Save again.
I always have the upper hand. Something's
So
wrong.
charge
with the
there,
spell here.
charge there,
I will not be
charge there, 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 and there. Okay. Gonna take out 2 at the same time. Almost. Could almost do that. Can we Pass that check? Nope. Everybody gets stunned. And we need to take out... Okay, here's what we need to do. We need to take out everything. Maybe we need another haste, man. We're not gonna have many hastes left. Could we maybe learn to describe that as a scroll on our main character? Because she... No, because then she needs one level of wizard, they say.
Hesitation is
Because else you can't...
waste of time.
Yeah. Well, remember. Charge it.
I will
Charge in.
not trifle with.
Hope that we can do something good there. Okay. They're all casting the stunning screech. No? Okay, good. You know what we're gonna do now? Leg it! Leg it! Luckily there's kind of a long tunnel here. Kind of a long tunnel. Is there someone behind? No, it says that guy is still on our tail, I guess. Guess he's not the slowest. Whatever. Okay. Well, that was good though. That was really good. Taking out 2 rocks.
Always watch your back.
That was really good. 2 rocks. Fast. Okay. Oh my god. He was still following us. That bastard. The bastard. Okay, well, it's fine though. Reload. We take out the rock. And okay, I mean, I guess... Oh, we're at 41 minutes. That's gonna be next time we take out the rock, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.